little bit of a mess, guys, but just showcasing these multi-tools, knives, and specialty tools. This is where I keep some of my tools, knives, specialty tools. Any questions, guys? Any questions? And last but not least, the Civivi Sendy. I almost forgot to put this one on camera, and I had it somewhere else, and I just forgot to grab it and number it. But Civivi Sendy, great tool. I've been carrying this one for a while. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Take it easy.